Let's learn vocabulary of Minna no Nihongo lesson 2. Kore, this. Sore, that. Are, that, over there. Dore, which one? Kono, this. Sono, that. Ano, that, over there. Hon, book. Jishyo, dictionary. Jassi, magazine. Shinbun, newspaper. Noto, notebook. Techo, pocket notebook. Meisi, business card. Kado, card. Terehon kado, telephone card. Empichu, pencil. Boru pen, ballpoint pen. Sharpu pensiru, mechanical pencil. Kagi, key. Tokei, clock or watch. Kasa, umbrella. Kaban, bag. Kaseto, tepu, cassette, tape. Tepu recorder, tape recorder. Terebi, television. Radio, radio. Camera, camera. Computer, computer. Jidosha, automobile. Chukue, desk. Isu, chair. Chocoreto, chocolate. Kohi, coffee. Eigo, English. Nihongo, Japanese language. Nan, what? So. Chigaimasu, no, you are wrong. So desu ka? I see. Is that so? Thanks for watching.